Welcome to Carlton's Math Corner. Today we're going to continue our study on solving equations with variables on both sides. At this time, please make sure that you have your math journal, vocab packet, and something to write with. Our target today is I can solve equations with multiple or no solutions. Okay, so let's look at our first equation. What are some of your observations? Well, some of my observations is that really we're solving this equation exactly the same as the prior videos. We're still doing the same steps. The only thing that I noticed different, looking through this, is I noticed that the y's actually cancel each other out. Do you notice that the negative 5y and the negative 5y over here, they're equal. And so when we do the inverse, well, negative 5y plus 5 is 0. So the y has disappeared. It is now 0. And so I can actually cross this out because 0 times y is 0. And all that's left is the negative 3 and the positive 2. So, do you notice that it says that it is no solution? Well, why isn't there a solution? Like, what makes it a no solution? You're absolutely right. One reason is because the y has canceled itself out. But another reason is, do you notice that these numbers are not equal to each other? See how it says negative 3 is equal to 2? Well, that is impossible. Negative 3 is not equal to 2. And so because they are not equal to each other, that is what we call no solution. So anytime we solve an equation where we get down to where the y's have disappeared or our variable has disappeared, and there's numbers that are left, if those numbers are not equal to each other, that means there's no solution. Okay? What about this one? What is different about this equation? Exactly. Well, we solved it exactly the same way. There's nothing different. We combine like terms, get the variables over on one side, but the difference is, look at our answer. The variables have disappeared because they canceled each other out, but negative 6 is equal to negative 6. So this is not referred to as a no solution. This is referred to as an infinite solutions. There's an infinite number of solutions to make this true. I can actually put in any number, and what that means is I can put in any number for my variable, and I will always get the same on both sides. I will always get an equal answer. So that means I could put in 1,000,000 and I still would get the same number on the left side and the same value on the right side. Okay? And so that's why it's called infinite solutions. Okay? Zero solution means no matter what number I put in, like this one back here, no matter what I put in, I am always going to be unequal. Like, they will never ever be equal. I will always have a different answer on the left, or a different value on the left versus the right. Okay? What I want you to do is try these 3 problems. I want you to see, are they a no solution answer or are they an infinite solutions answer? Thank you so much for joining me at Carlton's Math Corner, and I look forward to meeting with you again.